No, I don't have a real green screen. I'll show you my dirty room quickly. Ah! But yeah, fake green screen. It's excellent with AI, thanks to NVIDIA Broadcast. And yeah, so this stream I'm going to be testing out some AI tools as I always do. Some exciting stuff in the pipeline, and then something new. I'm going to be joined by my friend Tudor, and we're going to actually be building an AI tool, AI powered tool. So let me just post on my Discord that we're live. Live gang. Live now. I'm live now. Boom. Also, what was I gonna say? Oh yeah, also we reached 100 members on Discord, and I want to give back to the community, so I will be organizing some kind of giveaway. So yeah, stay tuned. If you're not in the Discord, feel free to join. The links are in my bio. And yeah, let's get straight into it. Okay, first up, let's put this here. Doing ideogram. So I think this one is actually by Alphabet, the parent company of Google, and they've made their own image generation AI web app thing. And the cool thing about this is something that Midjourney and Stable Diffusion struggle with, and is it can actually generate text really, really reliably in different styles. And I think it's like unlimitedly free. You just have to sign up with your Google account. So let's just do some tests here. And let's just try different styles of text. Let's see how many ways it can do text. Oh, it's got a big sign your life away there. Yeah, here you go. See, they've got this comic style, Cheetos style, packet of Cheetos that says cannabis and is cannabis flavored. That's insane. You can do logos, clip art, just a girl who loves to code. Dude, I want to do a t-shirt design. I'm going to steal this. How do we steal? What does this button do? Oh, sick. Oh, you can remix? T-shirt design. At tech friend typography. Find a t-shirt of a cartoon character of a Persian man coding, white background. Let's see what happens. That's cool. So you can remix other people's images that you see on their front page. That's very cool. You can see it does text in so many different styles. AI can write now? It sure can. Look at this. Shirtless Elon Musk and Mark Zuckerberg kissing in boxing ring. Nude photo cinematic. It's funny how it doesn't censor the word nude. Got Trump and Mario taking a selfie. Alright, let's see what my t-shirt design came up with. Tech friend. See, it doesn't get him right all the time, but it's pretty close. I think we can just run that as many times as we want as well. Taylor Swift with a t-shirt that says Lewis rocks, but it turned out to just say Cox. I love the unpredictability of this AI. Ooh, this one looks really nice. It's really blurry, but yeah, that's so cool. Save that one as well. Let's see what other ways, what other styles it can generate text. I want to see if it can do like in a digital. Remove this. Remove all of this. Digital like glowing green text saying tech friend. Let's see about that. Because I like that style of like the Matrix green glow, kind of like this background here. While that's doing that, I actually want to foreshadow what I'm going to be doing next, and it's getting Wizard Coder 33B, which apparently has outperformed GPT-4. So this is like our first open source model that's outperforming GPT-4 for coding. Very, very exciting stuff. Ooh, I got a first message from TikTok. Hello, is this tool free? Yes, it is. It's completely free. You just have to sign up with Google. You can go to ideogram.com, ideogram.ai. Sorry, not .com, .ai. ideogram.ai. And yeah, it's completely free and it does text. So this is cool. This is like glowing neon saying tech friend. How cool is that? That's very cool. Oh, let's see if we can make a YouTube banner. Let's see what it comes up with. YouTube banner for a channel named Tech Friend about computers, technology, and AI and programming. Let's see all the styles we can do it in. Illustration, 3D render. I like 3D render, dark fantasy, vibrant, conceptual, typography. I don't know. It's probably too much conflicting stuff. Let's see what happens. No worries, agnostic. Thank you for the comment. The message. So yeah, I'm gonna download this thing called LM Studio. LM Studio is like the best software I've seen for you to actually host and download these open source models on your local machine. So yeah, I'm gonna download that. I haven't made the video about this yet, unfortunately. I probably should because I covered it in my last video. I mean, my last stream. But that's okay, we have time. We have all the time in the world. Whoa, this is some cool stuff. But, alright, let's remove some of these tags. I love how I can just keep doing it for free. It's quite fast as well, like it's generating 4 images every, let's say, I don't know, 11, 12 seconds. Oh my god, look at this. I love this like trending gallery. A text made out of white slime spelling the letters C-U and then M 3D render. Oh, it's insane. Oh, wow. These look so cool. Oh my god. Oh my god, dude. That's so cool. Wonder how else. Alright, let's just say tech friend in big text. Computer code in the background and robots as well. I'm just trying to get some assets from my YouTube background. Yo, Mr. Green, what's the website? It's ideogram.ai. ideogram.ai. Can you guys see that? Yeah, I think you can. Put it here. It's here as well. Ideogram. Completely free and can do text. Alright, we got LM Studio installed. I'm gonna install that. Windows won't let me run it. So I go more info, run anyway. That's cool. Alright, I think I'm gonna remove vibrant. And see how that changes and everything. Oh, that was the fastest install ever. Alright, and so now this is LM Studio. This is one of like the best softwares, or probably the best software to run any language model locally on your machine. You can download and discover them. So I'm trying to look for Wizard Coder. I'm gonna search for that. Mr. Green says, I couldn't get nice generated images that includes text yet. Yeah, all the other LLM models really struggle with text, but I think Ideogram is like, this is their selling point. They can do text quite well. There we go, this is really cool. See, look at all this text. Tech friend, tech friend, tech friend. Alright, Wizard Coder Python. Oh, they only have Python Wizard Coder. Oh, you could try this one. When was... Oh, no, this is old. Damn, they don't have Wizard Coder 34B, the new one. That's really sad. That is sad. Alright, let's just do, what's it, llama code? Maybe it's 2 words, llama code. Code up llama? No. How do they not have llama code? You said LLM? No. This is only for images. LLM was like this separate app, two separate things. Sorry, Mr. Green, for the confusion, but Ideogram, yeah, just images. And then this other software I have here, LM Studio. This is what I'm trying to get language models on. Yo, John Power says, can you download from GPT-4All and manually browse for it in LM Studio? That's a great question, John Power. Honestly, if you have LM Studio, I would just uninstall GPT-4All because you could get all those models from here, I'm pretty sure. Just download them again. That's what I would do. This interface is much nicer, in my opinion, than GPT-4All is. I haven't actually touched GPT-4All for a while, so sorry. I don't mean to throw shade to them, but yeah, you can chat here as well, and you can get all the models, like pretty much all the models on Hugging Face. I don't know why it can't find Wizard Coder 34B though. Let me Google that. Wizard Coder 34B. Oh, there's only Python ones. Yeah, see, look at this. Wizard Coder 34B surpasses GPT-4 and like pretty much every model on human evaluation. That's super cool, but I guess it's only for Python. Yeah, it is. See, I mainly use JavaScript, so this won't help me too much. I might just install Replit as an example. Replit code instruct GGML 40 days ago. Replit code instruct. Or maybe, can I Google best JavaScript coding LLM? 14 best open source. What this says. Code. What if I just search code, see what the most downloaded one is? This one. Code Llama. Okay. Oh, it's called Code Llama. I was searching for llama code. Okay, that's my issue. Code Llama. Okay. Damn, this was released today. Spider Skeleton GGML. What is this? Yo, Swamp. I'm building my own router with Raspberry Pi. I assume that's what RBP is. Wondering if I can run Open WRT and Pi-hole together. I have no idea. I haven't really like delved into the Raspberry Pi stuff. Yo, Diggs, by the way, 7 on Twitch. What's up, G? Thank you for being on Twitch. I love Twitch people. I want to grow my Twitch channel. I'm pretty far. Oops, that's Twitter. That's not Twitch. How many followers do I have? I think I got 35 followers. I need 50 followers. 36. 50 to be like some on my way to like affiliate or some shit. Yo, Slamington, my cousin. What's up, G? Thank you for joining. Yo, Slam, have you heard of LM Studio? That shit is lit. Or Ideogram? You're sick, G. Yeah, you're fully sick, G. Look at this. We have a image generation model that does text now. Look, it's saying tech friend. How cool is that? It can do different stuff. All these logos and tech stuff. It can do Cheetos, marijuana Cheetos, logos. Which please use the force cuke? Whoa, dude, it can make memes. That's insane. Oh, we should make a meme. What's a funny meme? Anyone? I run a follower farm. You need 5k followers on Twitch. Yeah, actually, I think that would help. I don't know. Will they shadow ban me? I'd prefer it to be organic followers rather than bots. How does it follower list? No. Shout out to these guys. Yo, I recognize Jake. He's the homie. What if you put timestamp genius in? Oh, great idea, Slam. Dude, I hate how the chat messages on Twitch go away so fast. Why is that? I can't see them. They're staying up on the overlay, but I have this window here, but they're not staying up too long. Yeah, let's try timestamp genius. Logo for a web app called Timestamp Genius. Let's just leave it at that, like quite vague. We'll do it in a square as well, so then it can be reused quite nicely. I want to make sure I didn't miss any Twitch messages. No, I didn't. Okay, good. I think you have to specify the text as well and probably give it a direction. Logo with text, timestamp genius, and brain. Brain and clock. I don't know. Brain and clock. See what it comes up with. And yeah, I was looking at spider skeleton. No, I don't want to look at. I was trying to get a code llama. Probably this one. What's GGUF? What the hell is GGUF? Genius. Okay, so it's not always 100%. I think we'll just run it again. I think it'll get it eventually. What's GGUF? What's GGUF versus GGML? Video. GGUF is making Llama CPP much better. What? It's a successor format. Awesome. So if you guys don't know what GGML is, it's something that pretty much took all these language models and made them available on CPUs, like available to run on CPUs. Because previously you needed big, expensive GPUs, but with this GGML stuff or Llama CPP stuff, we're able to run it on CPUs, and it's like able to run on consumer hardware. So it's really cool because every day this stuff is getting progressing more. So GGUF is the next thing, it seems. So I'm gonna download Code Llama 13B GGUF, released yesterday. Or should I get the 34B? I'll probably just get the 30. Damn, it requires 30 gigs of RAM, which I think I have. But let's just do the 13B because this is just a proof of concept anyway. I don't wanna go too hard. Yo, Mr. Green says, what do you think about chatbot business right now? Did you try something that's better than GPT? So I think obviously GPT-4 is generally the best thing that's out there at the moment, but you have to pay for it generally. So I like Claude, and one thing Claude has over GPT-4 is the context window is about 3 times the size, so it can consider way bigger files and prompts. So yeah, Claude I think is probably the only thing that competes. And obviously Llama 2 actually is pretty close, and that's open source, which gives it a whole bunch of reason to like it. So yeah, that's my answer. Okay, what version of quantization should I get? I don't really know how different the different levels of quantization makes it. Yo, Slam, if you're listening, I just ordered a 4 terabyte M2 SSD yesterday. So excited for that because right now I only have 500 gigs SSD on my computer, but Hopefully from Friday, I'll have 4 terabytes. How exciting is that? It's only like 280 bucks. Are you trying to run an LLM locally right now? Yeah, that's in the future. I will be in like maybe 10, 20 minutes. I'm foreshadowing. I just want to download it right now. I'm just trying to decide what level of quantization. Let's just get the smaller one for now. I don't know what KS is or K. I'm just gonna get the smallest one. Nice. You bought a 1 terabyte for $80. They're getting cheap. Yeah. Was yours? What kind of SSD? External? Mine's like those NVMe like M2 chips. The really thin ones. What brand? Kingston. So I was like looking because the Kingston ones were so much cheaper than the Samsung ones, but I was like, are they that good? And people were saying, yeah, they're like pretty much just as good. You won't really notice a difference. So I'm like, fuck yeah. Normal one, okay. Like a USB one? Or like the SATA ones? Some of the crap brands over here. Yeah. Kingston's a known brand, so it's not like a cheap brand that no one knows about. Yeah, yeah. Okay, so the reason I'm downloading a model is I've installed yet another chat. I'm bad at explaining it. This is an open source GitHub Copilot. It's called Continue. It's like GitHub Copilot X, and it's open source. It's like a VS Code extension. It can edit in the text, and the cool thing about it here is you can actually change the default LLM it points to. So they're super nice of letting us use their GPT-4 key. So by default, it runs off GPT-4. You can supply your own key, or you can just use their key for free. Shortly, they'll change this eventually because it'll cost a lot of money for them. But yeah, you can also run it locally, local models with GGML. So I might try that, or I might not. I don't know. We will see. I definitely wanted to talk about that. And another thing you could do is you can make custom commands. Do they have documentations on that? Customize the system message. Okay, that's cool. Yeah, custom commands with natural language. So you can write a command like say check, and it's like a short form for a longer prompt. So they'll be like, check for mistakes in my code. Please read the highlighted code and check for any mistakes. You should look for the following, like syntax errors, logic errors, security vulnerabilities, performance issues, etc. And yeah, so you can just like use this extension, just go /check, and it'll run this whole prompt on your code. So it's super cool. It's called Continue by Continue Dev. I used it today for the first time and I was super impressed. I couldn't get cursor to work nicely on my Windows computer, so I'm back using Continue now, and back using VS Code now, and I think I'll use Continue. Yeah. How did my logo go? Oh, it's okay. Timestamp genius. They don't look great. Like, what about 3D render? I feel like 3D renders are cool. Let me run some more of these, and yeah, I'm just gonna check the TikTok stream on my phone because it says I have 0 viewers, but people are commenting. I just want to make sure that it's not broken. Whoa, dude, 3D looks so much cooler than not 3D. Mr. Green says you could try those models first online, then if you find something interesting, you could download it. Yeah, that's true. That's true. I could have done that. Okay, no, it says we have 3 followers, 3 viewers now. So good. Self some likes. Okay. Should we move on. So I have an idea. My friend is going to be joining me soon, hopefully, and we're going to be building AI-powered app. And this app, this is how it works. I'm going to make a Google Doc explaining it. Whoops. Did not mean to show that. Blank. I'm gonna call it mind dump assistant. So how it works is user opens app and presses start recording. User starts dumping all the thoughts they have into the phone / like wired mic / mic. So this could be things like tasks they want to achieve, goals they have, concerns they have, etc. And then the app transcribes the notes, voice notes into text, and then app sends transcription to an LLM with the prompt similar to convert the following mind dump transcript into a report. And then app generates a report. So this is something I did manually yesterday, step by step, and it was kind of nice. So we're gonna make an app that makes it automatic. Salam says, "Can you link me continue?" Yeah, sure. I think I can. Let's see. Yep, I think that should come through on the Twitch messages. Otherwise, for everyone else, it's just GitHub /continue dev /continue. So yeah, this is this. I'm gonna make this public. And post this on my Discord. So if anyone wants to join, I'll be making this open source. Yo, Tudor! So this is my friend Tudor. How do I send a love heart to him? Like this. Yo, everyone, me and Tudor are going to start building an open source AI powered app. More info in collabs. All right, I'm going to join this meeting room. And then let's put this here. Okay. What framework language are you going to do the app? Asks Mr. Greens. Okay, so I'm going to be using Expo because me and Tudor are experienced in React, and Expo is like a really nice React Native framework. So yeah, we're going to be using Expo. Yeah, so first thing I'm going to do is create the GitHub repository so we can all do that. What should we call it? Mind dump reporter? Mind dump reporter. Cool. Can you join? Yes, Mr. Green, please. The more the merrier. Jump on the Discord. We're all in. I'm going to be in this meeting room. We're going to be talking in this collabs. How do I create a thread? I don't know if we should create a thread. We'll start off in this thread. Mind dump reporter public. Okay. All right. Create thread. Thread name, mind dump assistant. Yep. Check. Created repository. Boom. And that's the link. Okay. So we've created the repository. Now let's clone the repository. Here. So I'll open VS Code. Let's see. Where does this take me? Come on, terminal. Git clone. All right, we've cloned it. Now let's open that project. Mind dump reporter. This big. I'm gonna move my thing here. We'll remove the stream notes. And yeah. Meant joining the repo. It's getting late at the moment. The repository for the mind dump? Yeah, I posted it on here as well. AJ47/mind dump reporter. I'm gonna take my jumper off. I'm getting real hot. Oh shit, did nipple reveal. I show meat. Don't cancel me. Okay. Let's initialize Expo. Let's look at the docs. Expo init. How do we do that? Make this bigger for everyone to be able to see nicely. How do I initialize an Expo project? Create Expo app. Okay. Do I have that? mpx create Expo app. Mind. I'm gonna call this MDR app. You love React? Yeah, I love React too. Actually, like, I love React because that's what I started out with, and it's like I'm very used to it. But I mean, I've been seeing Vue, and Vue seems very nice. Like, seems like they've done a lot of things a lot nicer. This is gonna install create Expo APIs. Svelte, baby. I haven't actually experienced much of Svelte at all. But yeah, so why do you like Svelte, Growth? I'd love to hear the benefits of Svelte. Convert me. Right. Svelte Fire? Okay, people are liking Svelte. Right?
Hello.
Yo, is that Tudor?
Yo,
It
how's it going,
is.
man?
Yo, good, bro. How are you?
Yeah, good. Not bad, not bad.
Yeah, the audio is
Can I
okay. It's
put
good.
you on speaker?
I don't know. Can you? See, Slam.
Sure. Yes, let's go. How's
Let's
it going,
go.
bro? You live?
Yes, I'm live. TikTok, Twitch, Kick,
Nice.
YouTube. Yeah, so I
Nice,
just
nice.
made the repository and I've created the Expo app.
Okay, so we're doing it
Uh,
cross-platform or something like that.
yeah, I mean, I feel like we've used Expo before. I feel it's pretty good. And when we met last, I checked, and there's these native libraries that do speech to text. So I feel it would
Oh,
be
that's
good.
awesome.
Yeah.
Because that's what I was gonna ask, like, if that exists.
Yeah.
Because we don't want to do that on the cloud somewhere.
Yeah, exactly. If we can do it natively, we'll save a lot of money.
Yeah, so you reckon that's doable then?
Well, yeah, we'll find out. You know how it is with these libraries, and you never know till you try. One concern I have is if it still works when the phone is on sleep. Because when I was doing this yesterday, I went for a walk, put on my wired headphones, and started mind dumping into the mic.
Mm-hmm.
My phone doesn't stay on forever, right? It eventually goes to sleep. And one of the apps just stops recording after it's in sleep, but another one kept recording, so I don't know if this one will do that or not. So that's something we'll have to
Interesting.
test. Yeah.
Yeah, I mean, I'm sure we can probably like make sure that that doesn't happen, right? Because the voice recording app on iPhone doesn't do that,
Yeah.
so it kind of keeps going, right? So perhaps that's like intended functionality for the other app that you're trying.
Yeah, I mean, we'll
Um,
find out, I guess.
yeah, and then uh, so like on that, right? On the so okay, so the way I look at it is there are two major parts, right? And we also want to keep it as simple as possible for the MVP or MUP, minimal usable product. So the two parts in my mind are like, one is that this speech to text,
Mm-hmm.
um, and then the second one is like the prompt stuff, the generation stuff, right?
Yes.
Um, and yeah, for the first part, it's pretty straightforward in terms of what we need to do. Like, there's maybe not much creativity or exploration involved. I mean, there is still exploration to be done on whether this sort of native APIs work. But yeah, that's pretty straightforward. And then on the other side of it, we probably just need to play with some prompts and try different things
Yeah,
and
for sure.
explore until, yeah, or do some research, because I feel like social media is full of these kinds of examples, right? So we can probably just find something out there that people are already using for this kind of purpose.
Hmm.
And then yeah, use that as our initial template,
Yeah.
and yeah,
I
we
th-
just put the two together, and bam, we have an app.
I think maybe we could have multiple prompts as well. Like maybe some
Absolutely.
people would want a report, maybe some people want a to-do list, maybe some people want, I don't know, you know what I mean? Mind map.
Yeah, I'm not sure if you had a look the um at the document, but yeah, I said the same thing. So like, I
Oh,
was
you
thinking
Oh,
this.
yeah, I just
Yeah, this is probably
yes.
like a little bit after the initial thing, but could be like a very easy addition. After
Mhm.
the recording, the user is just asked like what type of recording they made, right?
Yes.
It's just like, yeah, one extra step should be quite easy to implement on all sides, and probably like a big addition. But probably need to get it right. Like, we just one thing at first, and then this is something easy to add on.
Yep.
Yeah, nice, nice, nice.
Mr. Green says the text feature could be done quick with the JS Web Speech API. Speech to text. Yeah. So
JS web speech. Let's have a look at that.
JS Web
Okay.
Speech. Yeah, I was looking at some
Those to
re-
incorporate voice data into web
React
apps,
Native
web
thing.
speech API, speech synthesis and speech recognition, web apps, web apps. So does that mean that could it work on native apps? Browser compatibility.
I
Okay,
think
browser.
so.
So we have Chrome, Android, Firefox for Android, Safari on iOS,
What does
web.
Expo use? It's like
Uh,
WebKit sometimes, right? I don't know. But like there was like the React Native speech to text I was looking at. The React Native voice. Yeah, native. The thing I found.
So you said So you said you're using Expo, speech to text.
Yeah, so I'll link you
Text
the
record
Stack
to
Overflow
record or
thing.
not. Oh, but Expose takes it to Google Cloud function, which in turn sends it to the Google Speech API. So it doesn't work without internet, which is fine in a sense because we would still need internet anyways for ChatGPT API, and unless we will try to do something really fancy where we use one of these smaller models and then we like download them locally. I don't know if inference on mobiles is a thing, but that would be also like a cool extra feature or addition where you get to use this stuff like offline as well for
Yeah,
later.
one of my TikTok viewers, John Power, suggested Whisper CPP. So that,
Whisper CPP.
yeah. Do you know about the GGML models?
I don't know GGML. I know Whisper is like OpenAI is like speech to text model, right?
Yeah, that's
Or
right.
yeah.
What GGML is they've taken a lot of AI models and they've made them like be able to run on CPU. So this one maybe could
Whereas
run.
normally inference works on GPUs.
Correct.
Right. Okay. Okay.
So that's an option. Maybe it seems like it.
Oh, look, there's a demo on an iPhone here.
Yeah.
Oh, okay, that's cool. This is it feels more like hacky tacky, which is like nicer. I feel like than using
Yeah, but
some
also
random.
more
It's
difficult.
more difficult as well, but we could be like we'd be learning more stuff as well.
Yeah, yeah, for sure.
But
Be more rewarding.
I'm not. Yeah, I'm not a CPP guy. Like I could definitely take this opportunity to get into it, but I haven't coded it in a long time.
I don't think you'd need to know CPP. You just have to find out how to actually host this on the phone and package it with Expo. That's my question. Right?
I guess so. Part of OpenAI's Whisper model in C++. So because it's C++, then you can probably make it accessible to an Objective C or whatever else runs natively on the phone. That what the thing is? The idea is here.
Yeah, I think so. John Powell says
Okay.
there's a Swift demo on the GitHub.
Yeah,
So,
I'm
mm,
just looking at it.
so maybe we have to not use Expo.
Yeah, yeah, I'm totally happy, bro, with like doing it natively. You're on Android, right?
Yeah,
Yeah, okay.
that's good.
Yeah,
You got
I do,
iOS.
but you won't be able to. Oh, it says supported platforms, iOS, Android as well, WebAssembly,
Yeah, yeah.
Mac
Um,
OS, Java, Raspberry Pi.
that says saw the plugin very nice. Which plugin? Continue? Yeah, it's sick. Do you use GitHub Copilot Tutor or something similar?
Um, I used to, but not really anymore. Um, I don't know. Do you use it?
No, because I'm cheap. But I just discovered a open source one this morning called Continue. I've
Okay,
used that. It's pretty good.
nice. It does inference on the cloud as well, does it?
That one you can choose what the backend is. By default, it uses GPT-4, and they just let
Right.
you use their API key for free. But you can point it to your own local LLM
Nice. You
or
can
a different
self-host it.
LLM. Yeah, exactly.
That's awesome. That's awesome.
Yeah, super cool. But yeah, what do you think about this React Native package though? Like we might not need to use Whisper.
Which one?
I just linked it in the thread on
Oh,
Discord.
let's see. Where did you link it?
In collabs, and then in the
Okay.
there's like a thread called Mind Dump Assistant.
Oh yeah, got you. Yep. React Native Voice. Let's see.
What time is it? Here it's 1:14 p.m.
Okay, let's see how that works. Native Voice for iOS and Android. That's pretty good.
Yeah.
Uh, okay, and how does it work? Pre-built plugin. This package cannot be used in the Expo Go app because it requires custom native code.
Does it say that?
Yeah,
Oh.
it says that somewhere. I don't know what that means. I haven't been using Expo in a while, so but yeah, I thought it's important. What does that do? What does that mean?
What's Expo Go? Uh, Expo Go. It's a. I think maybe that's like the emulator for Expo.
Oh,
Hmm.
okay. Expo Go. Expo Go is an open source platform for making universal native apps for Android, iOS, and the web within JavaScript and React. Expo? No, that's Expo.
Alright. Let me make a research.
Oh, hold on. Expo Go, right? It's I think what you use in development mode to run the thing on your phone.
Mm-hmm.
If that makes sense.
Yeah,
But if we build it,
it
then we
should
should
work.
be able to. Yeah, just gonna make testing a bit annoying, but that should be fine.
Yeah, so what do you think? Should we
Yeah, let's try
should we
this one, bro.
try the
Doesn't really
Expo?
say how it's doing it, but I think it is using the native APIs, if I'm not mistaken.
Yeah,
So
yeah,
yeah,
most.
we can try this one, and I guess the simplest way to see if it connects to the cloud or not is we just disconnect the internet and run it and see what it does.
Yeah, I mean that's not really a deal breaker anyway, right?
It
Because we,
wouldn't be,
as you
but
said, we
it
still
would.
need the internet for the LLM part anyway.
Yeah, absolutely. It's just what you're saying yesterday. The cost might be,
Oh yes, right. Well,
but
that
if yeah, it shouldn't really bother us that, right?
yeah,
That shouldn't be a problem. I feel like because it runs on everyone's devices.
yeah,
So yeah, all right, cool. So you set up a repo, did you?
yeah. It's in that thread. Just scroll up 2, 3 messages. How do you want
Mind dump
to
reporter.
do this?
Mind dump reporter. Um,
Yeah.
how do I want to do this? probably we can both set up. We can both run. Well, one of us sets up the. Are you on iOS or sorry? Are you on Mac or Windows?
I'm on my Windows computer at the moment.
Oh, okay. Yeah, probably one of us sets the basic repo, and then we both try to run it on our individual machines. And do you want me to do that?
I've initialized the Expo project.
Okay, so then I should probably try and run it, right?
Yeah, I can try
Okay,
running
cool.
it.
I'll do that.
How do you run it? Is it a yarn dev? No. Expo start. Yarn start. It make much sense. I mean, it's pretty annoying if we have to build it every time, but I guess that's. Don't have all these web dependencies. That's fine. Expo. Yeah, have it plugged in. Yeah.
Okay.
That's Expo Go as well.
Any instructions? Do I just npm install in this folder?
Yeah, you can npm install in that MDR app folder.
Okay.
Or yarn.
All right. Mm.
All right. Your app. This is a developer menu. It gives you useful access. Check your phone. Okay, I got the app running on my phone.
Okay, nice. Do I let me just download Expo Go as well. Expo Go. Oh, I already have it. Probably need to update it.
Put on DND. But yeah, I'm wondering if there's a way we can like split this.
Oh, the
Or,
workload.
yeah.
So I guess because so the way I look at it, right, is that those two parts. So the first one is speech to text. The second one is the inference stuff. So yeah, we can split that however you like. I can take one, you can take the other, and then we each work on our individual tasks. And once we're done, we just combine them.
Yeah.
What do you think? Sounds
Yeah,
good.
sounds good.
Do you want to take the first one, speech to text, or are you more interested in the second part?
Um, I think the second part's pretty easy.
Okay. So
I can do that pretty quickly.
okay,
Yeah.
all right, sounds good then. I will.
So if
Yeah,
if
try
you're
my head
doing
at the first.
yeah, if you're doing the first part, look at the Stack Overflow I posted before the npm package because they said you have to modify your app JSON.
Okay, cool. I will try to set that up then.
Yeah, let me know how it goes. I'll just quickly do the other thing. I'll branch off and work on a
Yeah.
separate branch.
So what are your thoughts? What are your thoughts about that?
I think it's just like we'll just use OpenAI,
Oh yeah, absolutely. Um.
and we just send the text with a prompt,
Okay. Okay. So basically, you
system
set that
prompt.
up, and then we think of the prompt and the text, and
Yeah, we can
yeah, then we think
experiment
of the
later.
prompt.
Should
All
be
right.
easy to change the prompt later on.
Awesome. Sounds good, bro.
Sweet.
I'll look in the first one, and yeah, we catch back maybe in a few hours or even earlier, and yeah, report on our progress.
Sounds good, man.
Cool. Have fun streaming, bro. And to
Thanks.
your viewers, have fun watching my friend. Okay.
All
See
right.
you. Bye.
See you, man. What should we call this branch? LLM prompt. All right, so we have the app here. Oh, how do you make a button in? Oh, just like that. Run. Let's call this generate report. Error. Title of prop of a button must be a string. Okay, so that's not how we do that. We do it like this. But no, there we go. Generate report. Oh, I can show you guys continue now. So this is continue. This is the open source GitHub Copilot. So we can highlight this whole file, VGG, and you see it says app.js highlighted lines 1 to 22. And now we can ask it questions, give it instructions, or add to context. So there's a slash edit. Oh, you see, these are all the custom commands it has. Customize LLM, write comments, send feedback, clear history. And yeah, the one that writes the code inside the actual editor is called edit code in the current file. So we can go slash edit, make it so that when the button is clicked, it sends a report, it sends a message out to OpenAI npm OpenAI API with the through the npm package using chat GPT 3.5 T 3.5 turbo. I don't know if it knows about the OpenAI npm package. We'll see. The cool thing about what I saw Cursor could do is it can actually read docs. Yeah, okay, so we can see here that I don't think that's the actual real API. It even says comment assuming assuming you have an npm package called OpenAI API, which we don't. Although this OpenAI complete is really similar. So hold on, I'm gonna reject this and maybe if I install the package first. Yo, Bryce says, Bry Fry, what plugin is this? This is Continue by Continue Dev. You can get it on GitHub, Continue Dev / Continue. I mean, you can just install it through VS Code. It's super nice. I've been using it since this morning. Okay, so let's just install. What is the OpenAI API? OpenAI npm. It's just called OpenAI. Whoops, probably didn't need to stop that. Oh well, yarn add OpenAI. That. Okay. And I think we have to start this Android app again. All right, thanks, boss. No worries, Brian. Thanks for the comment. If anyone else has any other questions, please feel free to ask. I will try and answer them best I can. Okay. All right, let's try that again. Let's just import it here so it knows how to do it. We'll just go process.env.api OpenAI key, which haven't made that yet, but it's fine. Doesn't need to know that. We'll select everything and then run that again. Let's see what happens. Okay, you can see it's writing the code. It's using DaVinci though, which isn't what I wanted, but we can change that. We can change that. I want to see if can we link docs? External. Context provider. Oh yes. So you can write at to see a drop down of content that can be fed to an LLM. You can reference GitHub issues. You can reference code base search. Yes, you can reference a URL. Perfect. Okay. Oh, that's so good, guys. So, as you know, ChatGPT is only trained up until a certain date, so it doesn't know about the latest API calls and stuff. But you can use at URL to reference any URL and hopefully it'll learn about it. So let's try that. So I'm going to accept these changes. Now we have this, but I don't want to use DaVinci. I want to use GPT-3. So I'm going to highlight that. I'm going to make a new search. I'm going to find the docs for OpenAI. Let's find docs. 3.5. Is 3.5 mentioned here? Yeah, here it is. Okay. I'm gonna be like, oops, yeah, put that again. Be like, edit, change this call to use 3.5 turbo, reference at URL, and then we'll give it this URL. See if it can reference that URL. Engine. Is that what this one says? Engine? No. This is not it. No. I feel like the at URL didn't work. Did I do something wrong? Type at URL example.com. Checked. I said reverence. Reference the completion code sample at maybe that. Oh, I don't think it's reading the URL. It's working too fast to be reading the URL. There's something wrong with the URL. Look at their GitHub. Maybe someone's made an issue. URL. Server disconnected. Cool AI URL. Here. Nope. See, they get an actual drop down. I'm not getting the drop down when I type URL, so I think there's something broken. Look, at URL. Where's my drop down? Okay, so I think it's broken. I don't really want to make a bug report. There may be something in the settings. Extension setting. Manually running server. Barely any settings. Damn. Damn. Okay. That's alright. I'll do this manually. Hopefully they'll make an update sometime and fix that. Here, this is pretty much what I want. Where's the system message? The docs. API reference? Is that what I want? Quick start. Libraries. Yeah. That's pretty much what I want. I'll just use this. Whoa, what the hell? Why did it? What? Check completion equals that. Check completion. Console log that, but I don't know if that's exactly what I want. Let me make an API key. Yeah. I'm gonna move this to the side here. Whoops. Tried to hide it, but I always end up showing my API key. It's alright. I'll remove it at the end of the stream. Message log message. Okay, I don't know if this will work. What's this? Cannot connect to Metro. Metro Boomin wants some more. Alright, generate report. Didn't do anything. I think we can run this on the web. Oh no, we need all these. Should I just restart this? Yeah, all right. Generate report. Nope. Let's just make a hook. We'll call this completion. Completion. Whoa. Okay. Move the send message in here. And we'll go set completion to chat completion dot completion. I think that's how you do it. See if that works. No. What if I initialize it? Hello? Oh, that didn't work either. Do I have to refresh this? The hell? Hello? Oh, I need it in a text, I think. Whoops. What am I doing? Text. Oh, no. No? Refresh? Oh, do I have to refresh on here? Reload app. Da, da, da. OpenAI API key is missing. Oh, maybe you can't. Dot end variable expo. How do you do these? Da, 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 da. Oh, it's equal sign. All right, I've already env.text. Oh my god, that's another issue. I've already doxed this, so I might as well just show everyone my key. Feel free to use this key right now, as I'm a silly bugger. Okay, surely this time. Reload. It's locked. Reloading. Oh, I'm cold again. The hell? Why did it take so long? Whoa, shit. Sorry if you heard that. I'm just gonna restart this. Hello? Did my keyboard die? Terminal crashed. Great. Great. EDMDR on Android. Okay. I see it's actually exported that API key as well. Stop going to sleep. Doesn't say it's loading. Like, what's the issue? Oh, you can open debugger with J? What does that do? J. Logs for your project will appear below. No compatible apps connected. Cool, man. Really, really cool. It's really cool how nothing works now. What? How is that? Why? Just because I added an environment variable, now nothing works. What if I close this whole thing? And then I can press A to open Android. Required Android package is not found. What the fuck? One more time. Don't you just love programming? There we go. At least we got an error. OpenAI key is missing still. Where do I out of OpenAI API E AI API defaults to process and wait, what? Defaults? Did I just rename it that? Guess so. Let's try that. Can I refresh this? Still the same issue. Instantiate it with OpenAI. That's what I'm doing. AI key. Oh wait. Here. Still kind of confused. Name has not been registered. The hell? I'm so confused. Maybe I should put this in the app as well. That could be the issue. That could be the issue. Great, now terminal crashed again. Yo, Modern Planners! Thank you so much for the nice comment. Hope you're having a good day. What's your favorite piece of content? I'd love to know, get a better understanding of my audience. I can tell you right now, this piece of content I'm making is super boring because it's just me debugging the same error. These three, oh, I got a few more. Alright, let's see if I remove this and this. And can I refresh? Use state doesn't exist. Why doesn't it give me an error? Import use state from React. And message doesn't exist. Just shared it with my community, Dallas software developers. Awesome. Did you share a particular video or the live stream? I appreciate it, Modern Planners. Thank you. Alright, we got it to run without errors. That's good. Let's see. I'm pretty sure this is the culprit of what the error was running. Gigglestick says, I love to code with music. Yeah, me too. Unfortunately, I can't really play the music I like on stream because of copyright issues. I have no idea why this is. Let's try log this. Can I log? I don't know if I can log. Can I log? Log undefined. Oh, I can log. Okay, so it's having some issues getting my API key seems. Even if I. Maybe this is in the. Oh, no, it's in the right folder. Delete this. It even says, before it runs. Where is it? Oh, I guess it didn't say this time. It used to say that it's getting this. OpenAI API key. Undefined. Okay, I have some issues with this. And create an end file in the root. Yogu says, I know the pain you're feeling. Sometimes just try random things until it works. Yeah. That's just debugging. It's the worst when it's something so simple. You're just like, what am I doing wrong? Create an end file in the root of your project and add environment specific variables on new lines in the form of. Oh, you have to write Expo public in front of it? Okay, I totally missed that. I hope that's the issue. Expo public. Okay. Will that fix it? No. What if I restarted? Crashed the terminal again. BD MDR yarn Android. What else am I missing? Process and oh, I have to call it like that. Bro, what the frick, man? Oh my god. Okay. Please. Please. For the love. Oh man. The terminal keeps crashing. So weird. Never happens. Guess I can leave that Discord channel. Look, export Expo public key. Doesn't actually show it though. If I reload it, it logs it out. There. Oh, we didn't get the error this time. Fuck, finally. Generate report. Okay, now I can uncomment this. Reload again. Wait, alright, we got some kind of error here. Invalid URL. Valid URL. The good old restart is the best debug. Yeah. That's the first thing you always try. It's like, just turn it off and on again. Fixes stuff a lot of the time. What? Invalid URL? Well, I'm even calling a URL. What the f? Is this an Expo issue? Let's have a Google. Valid URL. Not my issue. I just Googled this. It's a warning as well. It's not even a real error. Oh, here we go. What? Am I calling the API wrong? I'm literally copy and pasting it from their docs. Yo, see Modern Planners, thanks for the engagement. Let's look at their docs again. Their docs. OpenAI certification. Wait, is that it? API reference. Surely this is it. Wait, maybe we can just here. Await chat completions create. Yeah, that's what I have. All right, let me just look. I have another project that uses this same API. I'm just gonna copy off that. What project is it? Timestamp Genius. Okay, let's see. Backend. No, is it? Could be. Generate timestamp here. This is it. Where is Chat G? Whoa, is this using DaVinci? No, I need to get pulled. Okay. OpenAI create chat completion. Okay, what the fuck? Why would they give me a wrong thing? Create. What? What? You. Oh. OpenAI. Configuration. AI equals new OpenAI API. Hey, yo. Why is this so different? That shit doesn't even exist. I'm so confused. Oh, here. Previous versions used a configuration class. V3 to V4. Yeah, is this the old one? New completions create. Old, new. Okay, apparently that one is the old one. And I am doing the new one correctly. OpenAI.chat.completions.create. Is this choices 0.message? Choices 0.message. Look, if this doesn't work, I'm gonna take a break. Doing my head in. Taking a break is always good. Refreshes the mind. Okay, let's see. Generate report. Click the button here. Oh, I can. Same issue. Invalid URL, chat completions. Oh, No idea why GPT 3.5 Turbo. It's literally the exact same. Stick agrees. Taking a break always helps. Yeah, for sure. It's interesting because your like subconscious mind actually like thinks about the problem as well when you're on a break. And a lot of the times I find myself like finding the answer to stuff while I'm on a break. John Power says try GPT-4. Okay, it's not a bad idea. What's that one look like? They don't even have an example. Could we just write 4 here? 4. Reload. Generate. No, same issue. Super weird. Damn. Alright, I'm gonna take a break. I appreciate everyone for joining. The comments, all the help. Thanks for suggesting Whisper CPP, John. Yeah, I don't know when I'll be back. I want to stream more, but it's been hard. But yeah, I think I probably will stream more of the development of this app at least. So yeah. Oh, thanks for the nice comment, Giggle Stick. I appreciate you. Yeah, I'll see you guys later. Thank you so much for tuning in.